Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got another unboxing video and today we're going to take a look at Cloak Dagger on 4K. Now this is a Vinegar Syndrome exclusive. So when I pre-ordered it, I had to pre-order it right through their website, through the Vinegar Syndrome website, because this is not available anywhere else. So yeah, this one came out in the early 80s and I remember watching it as a kid and really enjoyed it. So I can't wait to rewatch this one. I haven't seen it in a long time. So take a look at this packaging, man. Very nice here. So this is the front. This is the very nice. This is embossed right here, so it feels very, very hard. It feels real good. Here's the spine. There's the Vinegar Syndrome logo right there, and it's by Universal. And here's the back. All right, so it opens up like this. And here's the slip cover. Let's put this on the side, let's see. And there it comes with a booklet as well. So this is very nice indeed. There's pictures of the movie. Yeah, I can't wait to watch this one, man. I haven't watched it in so long. Yeah, this is center. All right, now let's take a look at the slipcover. Now, it really looks like an Atari classic video game. You can even see the price tag on there. This is really good. This is really good. Here's the spine, and here's the back. One player or with an imaginary friend. All right. All right. Let's take a look inside. All right, finally. All right, so the front looks like the slip cover. Here's the spine as well. Here's the back. Here's some special features there. All right, let's take a look at the inside. All right, and now we got the, I believe this is the Blu-ray disc. It's got the nice disc art there, and then you got the 4K disc on this side, like that. And let me see if it has a reversible cover art. Oh yeah, it does. Oh right. Yeah, this is the cover I remember. Awesome. Yeah, this is neat, man. I can't wait to watch this movie. All right, guys. So there you have it. That's my latest delivery today, the Cloak and Dagger on 4K. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I got some more upcoming Blu-rays and 4Ks coming up, so I will do videos of those. So hit that notification to keep you notified for future videos. And stay safe, everyone, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Laters.